Welcome to the CoastalCraftFilAm channel. Today we're going to be unboxing Land's End roller luggage, and this is the biggest they carry. They have a carry-on type, and this one is a check-in bag type. So let's open the box. As you can see in the box, the net weight is 4.6 kilograms, which is around 10.2 pounds, which is on the heavier side for a checked-in bag, because usually you're allowed like 50 pounds of a checked-in bag in most carriers, and this is 10 pounds already, so you've got 40 pounds to play with your contents of your bag. So I picked the color red because it is the color on clearance. And let's pull it out.
Wow, that's big.
It's a nice rich red color.
I'm gonna keep that box. Wow, this is very good. Go ahead, Mama. Here, you hold the plastic.
Be careful.
Why do you have to do the plastic? Why don't you just
I mean, you could actually just keep the plastic shell for storage. But I guess never mind. So the trim of the bag is a deep sea navy, and the actual color is rich red. So this one has a spinner wheels. As you can see, it like glides smoothly. And let's check out the outside. Open the outside. So let's check out the side pockets. Got one big side pocket. Open this one. And this one has a lot of small compartments. So there's two in here and a big one over here. And you can put a lock on the top of this. You can see. You could put like a lock. So this is the handle. Push it hard till it clicks. And you can carry it like this, or you can carry it like this. And there is like a name. You could put your name here, name tag. And let's like lie it down maybe so we can look at the inside. So we're gonna check out the inside of the bag. Open it up. So I just want to show you before I look at the wheels. These are nice sturdy wheels.
Here's the inside. And
the seats. Open the little the compartments, Naomi. And open that thing in the middle.
Just like this.
Careful. There's a zip here, a mesh compartment for like socks and miscellaneous things, and then there's another big compartment on the other side. So that's how the inside looks like.
Okay.
That's the handle.
And this is probably where you put all the clothes.
So there's not a lot of pockets on the inside. You just have one in the middle compartment and
another zipper.
And
Shut it.
And close the zippers. Let's see if it closes smoothly. So it's pretty easy to close. And you have like an expansion here, so if you want to expand the bag, you can expand the width of the bag.
Okay, let's check out the...
That's the expansion. Let's see. That's how big the expansion part is. So that is our video for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.
Subscribe to our channel.
Bye.
Bye.